Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available. Batch properties. You need to add, concatenate, rename or delete the properties of a set of SOLIDWORKS files, but you are doing it manually, one by one, for each file. All of these operations are time consuming. Batch properties automates the process of modifying custom properties. In SOLIDWORKS, when you want to add or modify a property, you have to open each document one by one and perform the operation manually. With batch properties, you can automate these actions using an easy to understand interface or having powerful possibilities and without opening SOLIDWORKS. You can select an entire folder or SOLIDWORKS documents directly. If a folder is selected, Batch Properties automatically selects the documents. You can even filter the selection using the selection criteria such as part, assembly or drawing, or according to parameters such as custom property, date, etc. It is possible to quickly add a list of properties to be added, modified or deleted. It is also possible to retrieve a list of properties for a file without having to recreate them. Thanks to this quick selection, you can select only the properties to be processed. In this example, we want to modify the project property from 020 to 040 across all documents, and add a customer property of Visiativ. There are a lot of options available such as concatenating several properties, adding, modifying, deleting properties, etc. Finally, simply clicking on Apply implements the modifications automatically across a selection of files. A clear report available at the end of the processing procedure will show you the detailed results. This is a simple and effective way to edit the properties automatically on a SOLIDWORKS project. Finish the manual operations and all your documents are automatically processed by batch properties. If you would like to know what other tools are available, please watch our other videos or use the local help.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.